Okay, so what are you going to show me today?
Today I'm going to show you a bouncing ball game.
Alright, is this the game?
Yes.
Okay.
So first we need to get the tennis ball to match it with the background and all.
Okay. And
when
tennis ball is a sprite, huh?
Yes, it's a sprite.
Okay. And what is this? When flag clicked?
That's when we click this green flag on top, the code starts running.
Okay, and what is this? Go to X, Y, what is all that?
Those are coordinates, and coordinates are the X means how far you are from the left side of the screen, and Y means how high you're from the, how far you are from the top of the screen.
Oh wow, okay. And what is this if on edge bounce?
So when the ball touches the edge, it has to bounce.
Okay, so that is one rule, huh?
Yeah, that's the first rule.
Mm-hmm.
And the second rule is what I'm going to show you now.
Which is?
Next, we need the paddle. The second rule is that when the ball touches this paddle sprite, the green one, then the ball has to bounce.
Okay, so it has to bounce either when it touches the edge or when it touches the paddle.
Yes, it has to. If it touches any of them, it has to bounce.
Okay, so the if clause is checking if it is touching the paddle, huh?
Which?
The if clause.
It's the if touching paddle, then turn 180 degrees and move 30 steps.
And 180 degrees means what?
Like completely going to the opposite side.
Okay, so that's the same as bounce.
Yeah, almost like bounce, but it's used for the bouncing.
Okay.
And the third rule is that when we touch this red line I brought in right now, then the game has to be over.
Alright.
So here the next if then statement is when touching line, then the game has to be over.
Okay, so this touching, there are many options, line, paddle, all that.
As because I bought these sprites in, it will automatically update to those sprites.
I see. Okay, interesting. Okay.
Then it's going to say game over for like 10 seconds.
It's going to say hello, right?
No, I'm going to change the hello.
Hello is a good message. Why do you want to change that?
Because to tell that if it's going to be game over.
Okay. And it says it will keep saying that for 10 seconds.
Yes, it will say that for 10 seconds.
That's a bit long, yeah. Okay.
Then it needs to stop all the code.
Okay. So stop all will do that.
Yes, the stop all stops all sorts of code here.
So it just ends the game. No more movement.
No more movement. Stops everything.
Okay. And okay, so there are two rules. One is when it touches the edge, it has to bounce, and when it touches the paddle, it has to bounce, and when it touches the red line, the game ends. Okay. Yes. What is this that you're doing? What is this move 2 steps?
Oh, it's supposed to it's showing the ball's normal movement.
Okay, so if it is in the ball is in the air, it's neither in the edge nor touching the paddle nor touching the red line, what it should do?
Yes,
it should go 2 steps. Okay, so it's just
now we need to give the code for the paddle to move left and right.
Oh, okay.
Or else it's just gonna be game over every second.
All right. So this is you're allowing the user to control the paddle. If he clicks, if he hits the left arrow, you move. Minus 50 steps. What does minus 50 mean?
Oh, minus 50 is going minus in the minus direction of the x coordinate. So it will go to the left side, and 50 means it will go to the right side.
Pretty interesting. Okay. What are you doing now?
Now I'm giving a lovely background so it matches with all the things and all the sprites and everything.
I see. Okay.
And you can give any amount of steps in the left or right.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Do you have to save the project before you play? It's useful to
do it. Wait, there is something wrong here.
What happened?
I think there's a bug or something in that.
Okay. I can't see any bug.
Something is going wrong.
Okay.
It's that 1 degree over there. That's the wrong one.
Oh, how did you find that?
It's because that's the normal ball's movement.
Now it looks like a game, right?
Now it's the normal ball's movement.
Okay. Thank you for